The mistake we make is to form an opinion without evidence. Do not form an opinion without evidence. Get the facts before you form an opinion. And then do not try to make the facts match your opinion, because sometimes we draw an opinion before we know anything, and then when we get the information, we bend and fit the information to fit into the mold that we have already created. Oh, wow. So it's like this. Think about it this way, right? If you have a circular baking pan, right? You have a circular pie pan. When you're making something, you roll out the dough, you take the pie pan and you measure it and you cut out from the existing dough something to fit your pan. Amen? But the balance of the dough still exists. Did everything fit? Everything did not fit. But you don't care about that because your pie pan is full. You could bake your pie. It's the same thing with our opinions. We form our opinions, and when we get the information, we cut out from the information what suits our opinion and fit that into the pan of our opinion and leave the rest of facts alone. Because those are inconvenient. They don't match our opinion. We back to that line. Judge not, lest ye be judged.